Hi guys! Today I'm going to be doing a nice simple swipe over some pretty blues and purples. I'm going to be swiping over with black instead of white, which is what I would usually use over this combination of colors. So I'm curious to see how it's going to turn out. By the way, I'm very sorry that I wasn't able to paint and create a video for you last week, but I'm super excited to be back again today. Each of the base paint colors that I'm pouring on now is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone oil. You can find all the paint colors, ratios and supplies that I'm using listed in the description box. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. I really love these colors and the bits of white popping through too. Anyway, thanks for joining me. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.